Google Merch Center, invalid store name, how to fix this. In this video, I will run you through how to fix this issue in Google Merchant Center so that you can get your products listed in the Google Ads account and start getting some sales and making money. If you've tried to get your Google Merchant Center approved in the past, you might have run into one of the different issues that Google has for you in your verification process. It could be website needs improvement or the worst one, misrepresentation. In this channel, I will be making videos about all the different issues Google throws your way and how to solve them. My name is Stijn, and without further ado, I will dive into the video. We are the Merchant Masters, how to fix invalid store name. So, what's the reason behind it? It could have a lot of different reasons, for example, some copyright claims or that you cannot claim the domain, but most of the times it's a really easy fix. And that could be because you have suffixes in your company name. So for example, this is a BV, GMHB, Point Incorporated, LLC, LTD, all these different things. Google does not allow you to put this in there, and you should be able to just get it out and problem solved. If you have special characters or you have web stuff, so like www, HTTPS, something like that, also just remove it, problem solved. No exclamation marks, no question marks, no those things that you can put next to a word or before, after, like really take them all away and problem should be solved. If you have your name different in your Shopify, WooCommerce, Bigcommerce backend than it is on the Google Merchant Center, then it could already be a problem, or in the ads account. Google wants it to be exactly the same everywhere. What this means is no suffixes, no special characters, but also no capital letters, so no big letters or small letters when it is different in another place. When it's all big letters on your website and it's small letters in the Merchant Center, this could already trigger the issue. So it should be a small fix. If you've done this, then just request the review. Sometimes it's not even necessary and Google automatically does this for you. This should be live after the feed update. Google Merchant Center updates its feed every 6 hours. So it could be that if you do it now, it will already be done in an hour. It could be that you're just behind the last update and it takes you 6 hours. No issue, it will resolve itself. When you've done this and you run into the same issue with this problem, so the invalid store name, Google is willing to help you. So you can just get in contact with Google, get a sales rep, get someone with knowledge from the Merchant Center, the ad account, and they will be willing to help you through a call, through a Zoom, or a Meet, of course, for Google, or a screen share. And they will run through the issue with you and they will help you resolve it. Because for Google, of course, it's also important that the advertisers get verified so that they can start using budget, because that's how Google makes its money, and so that the end customer can find your service. When you've done the review and a new problem came up, a new issue, then you can find a solution. Google has this really easy website for you with way too much information about all the different problems you can have. For example, the invalid store name, you can run through this, try to solve the issues. So for example, no incorporated, no code, no GHBM, and then it should be solved. I will link this website here below so that you can find it for yourself. There are different problems for product level, account level, but this website will tell you all. If you don't want to read all of it, which I can understand because it's a lot, then you can also subscribe to the channel. I will be making videos about all these issues. If you want to help us, leave a comment, do a like. I will not keep on rambling because I think this should all the information you need to solve this issue. If you still run into some problems, shoot me a message in the comments below and I am willing to help you. My team is willing to help you. You can also get in contact through our website or any other ways you see fit. For now, I hope you got something out of it. All the best, good luck, and I hope you'll get live and start making some money on Google.